It's free excursions today on the Jungle Cruise. That's right, today we're going to do a POV video of the Jungle Cruise. Sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the corniest jokes on the goofiest Disney ride. Here we are walking up to the entrance of the ride. You can see that it's decorated in all the fun Christmas lights. Go ahead and get through here. And then here's the queue. It's a lot shorter when you're going to one of these after-hour events. This one is usually packed. I think everyone loves to hear all of the silly jokes that the guides give us. All right, we're almost there. And we'll just sit back, relax, and let the guide show us around. Enjoy.
Funny thing about the Amazon rainforest, if you look around, you might see some of our Amazonian margarine flies, and I know exactly what you're thinking, guys. I can't believe they're not butter. Flies, yeah, no, jokes don't get any better, guys, not at all. Yeah, let me just try catching some of that rainforest right there, just down right there. Oh, missed. Like the, okay, inspiration falls. You know, some people ask me, Skipper Marcos, why do we call it inspiration falls? And I tell them it's because when you stare at it for too long, it inspires you to go. That's the beat joke. Here's my number one. So it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle that is so beautiful. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. Everybody say Skipper Marcos, you're doing a great job.
Skipper Marcos is doing a great job.
That is inspirational. We're now entering the Congo River, so let's go far away Congo. Yeah, boats, mates, and bites. You know, my friends, I have this party planned for you guys. Huge holiday party. I made food. I even invited all my friends, but I don't see anyone. Canoe? Canoe? See anyone? No? Oh yeah, that's probably right. That's a python sitting in that tree. H-I-S says I-N-G. You know how I can tell that's a python and not a boa? Boas have feathers. Yeah. Looks like my family's finally in town for the holidays. Look at what they did to my Jeep. They left the lights on. I'll never get it to turn over. Alrighty, we're now entering the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa. It goes for Niles and Niles. And Niles. And Niles and Niles. And Niles and Niles and Niles. And Niles and Niles and Niles. And Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you might be in
denial.
Africa! Set it right there, guys. Please pay attention. Thank you. To your left, we have the African bull elephant. You know, my friends, fun facts about elephants. They can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. Crazy, right? And just hold on to that information. That's going to be important for later. We're now entering the African belt. I mean, the huge range of animals going all the way from here to there. Yeah, now you have the gray reindeer, the long neck reindeer, the tiny reindeer, the stripy reindeer, the reindeer with wings. Oh, look at that pride of lions looking over that sleeping stripy reindeer. Yeah, she looks dead. Tired, dead tired, don't worry. I wonder what's going through her head right now. Teeth. Probably. This right here, this is Skipper Felix. Yeah, at least that's Skipper Felix and his crew are having a hard time putting up the Christmas tree this year. But you know, fun facts about rhinos, they can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. Crazy, right? Fun fact about humans, they can't. You know, I remember my first day, guys, I remember someone told me this waters were infested with alligators. So if you by any chance end up in the water, you don't have to swim fast. You just have to swim faster than the person right next to you. So, just my story is that I guess. Yeah, look at them. That's Mr. and Mrs. Frost. So be careful, guys. Mr. Frost bites. You know, fun facts about alligators, they can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. Crazy, right? Alright, in front of you have the most beautiful view you have ever seen in your entire life. It's big, guys. It's big. And behind me, we have Spicer Falls. You know, I feel like that reminds me of this burial thing. Very special to me goes something like Jungle Chasing Waterfalls. Six of the rivers and the lakes and trees too. and I live by that, my friends. So yeah, just wanted to share that one with you guys. So a little safety message for you, my friends, before we continue with our journey. A plane crashing like that in the middle of a jungle can only mean one thing, guys. It's just one thing. Hippos. Alrighty, we're now entering a pool of hungry hippos, but don't worry, I know how to scare them away. I've been training, I'll scare them away the same way I did my last relationship. I love you! I want a committed relationship! Do you want to meet my mom? Yeah, I think that works. They're really scared of commitment. Now we'll never hear from them again. And I know you guys are going to say, oh, Skipper Marcos, your job is so easy. Even a monkey could do it. Those are apes. The monkeys have tails. They're way smaller and he's not even holding the right hand. Guys, that's Disneyland's jungle fruit. Oh, look at those two. That's so cute. Looks like they got their Christmas presents early this year and they're playing with the butterflies. Yeah, but I mean, it's a shame, guys. I think it's a real shame because those butterflies are just not what they used to be. Caterpillars, guys. They used to be caterpillars, yeah. And now, for the moment, you have all been waiting for the amazing, the colossal, the spectacular, the eighth wonder of the world, the one, the only, the best side of water. No? Alright. Yeah, I really like to tell comical jokes periodically. I usually get a good reaction. Yeah, I don't know what happened. No, but they really put me in my element, but I have this other one about oxygen and potassium. It was just okay. Alright, we're gonna drink the Mekong River in Cambodia. Looks like we have a temple up ahead in that temple. It's very dark. It's really Mekong nervous. There's so much over there was this tiger, Himalayan. Sometimes they see Himalayan over there. Or they see Himalayan over here. Just don't know where he's right now, so let's just go in and... Oh, yeah, right now you can see Hima standing over there. You might think that's water coming out of their trunks. No. Oh, look at those two baby elephants playing. That's a cute that you'll never see again. Unless you're me. Every 10 minutes. Alright, let's just get out of here. You know, my friends, the jungle is home of a wide variety of plants. So let me point out a few of my favorites for you guys. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me just tell you about some of my favorites since you're asking and participating so much, all of you guys. That one up there, that's the hibiscus. This one down here, that's the lobiscus. Down in the water, that's the sea biscus. That one all the way back there, hidden in the jungle. That's none of your biscuits. Also, we have our little gift shops. Even the monkeys came when they found out our prices. We're bananas. Now everyone smile for the camera. Say cheese. Not a real camera, guys. It's not a real camera. You were smiling. embarrassing. Alrighty, safety please. Remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat parent. Supervise your children. Just make sure if you're sitting on the side of the boat, exit out the back door. Please don't go over those center crates. It's a fire hazard. You go over those center crates, you fall, I laugh, I get fired, so please don't do that one. Now Skipper Corey's here. Say hi, Skipper Corey. You know, fun fact about Skipper Corey, she can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making her the fastest land animal in the world. If you've been paying attention to anything I just said, that's what we like to call a running joke. Alright, get out, watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail. Thank you for awkwardly staring at me.
We survived the jungle excursion today. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.